All right, guys, welcome back to your Earn 25 Today members area. We're going to talk about how to get access to your replicated site link. So it's very important that you guys understand this step. What you need to do is you need to send us a copy of your PayPal receipt showing that you've made your payment for the $97 replicated website. You also need to send us your username for your payspree.com account. Now, I'm not talking about the email address that you use to log in. What I'm talking about is when you create your profile within your PaySpree account. Here, if you were coming in just fresh logging into your account with PaySpree, it's going to bring you to the home page. If you click on Profile at the top here, it'll take you into your profile, and this here is the username that we need. We need this PaySpree username, not the email address that you use to sign in. I need you to send me your username along with the receipt that you receive from PayPal showing that the $97 payment has been made. I need you to forward this receipt and also your username to support@earn25today.com. Now, once we receive the payment, we're going to go ahead and we're going to process or start processing your website. And when we receive the email from you, we're going to go ahead and reply back to this email with your unique link. Now, a couple of things. If, for instance, you paid with an e-check, it's going to delay the process. So, once you've made that payment and the payment has cleared, on our side, we're going to start to go ahead and fulfill the process of rebranding your site. When we receive the email with your PaySpree username and also the receipt showing that your payment has been made, we're going to go ahead and we're going to reply back with your unique link so that you can have access to your website. Now, I want you to understand something. When this website comes to you, it will be programmed to start receiving payments directly to your PayPal account. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to set up the payment processor. We're going to go ahead and make sure that you guys are receiving your payment individually based on your efforts. We have nothing to do with that. We're going to set everything up and we're going to send it off to you. Once you receive the site, you're going to be ready to start accepting payments immediately. So guys, I hope that video helped you to understand how to get access to your link. Just so you know, now based on our new system, you're not going to have to wait 24 hours to get access to your site. It's almost instant. And the beautiful thing is, as we told you before, in ordering your replicated site, there's no additional cost. So you're not having to pay for hosting, you're not having to pay an annual domain renewal, you're not having to pay for a designer, you're not having to pay for anything. All you have to do is go ahead and order the site, send us receipt of payment with your username, and we're going to go ahead and send you back a link. So guys, I'll see you on the very next video.